All right, I have the Ninja air fryer. This is the Ninja Crispi portable glass cooking system. It's an air fryer, the power of a full-sized air fryer, now in a portable cooking system. It has a cooking surface made of 100% PFAS free, portable design, cook on any surface anywhere you can plug in. Save more space with nesting design. I'm going to show you this. One of the things I like about this, and the reason why I decided to go with this, is because it has the trays where once you are done cooking, you can just put the top on and put it in the refrigerator if you have extra. Comes with a 4-quart big batch container, comes with a 2.5 medium batch container, and a 6-cup small batch container with cover pods, a big batch container removable adapter, and 3 storage lids, which I'll talk to you about. And then it's right here, you can look right here, it says 3 crisper plates right here. The crisper plates raises the food up so the oils can drip down, as well as being able to get that hot air on the bottom of the food that you're cooking. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and we can take a look at it and put it together and see how well it does. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Open up this. And we're going to get in here. We're going to check this out. It also comes with a YouTube video that you can look at. It says, follow that. I'm going to open this up and pull this out to see what's inside. It's an empty box right here. I think this is just a filler. Keep it in place. Gracefully take this out, and we're going to examine some of the parts that come in it. There's a lot of parts to it that may be somewhat concerned to people, like there's so many things to deal with. We're going to open this up and look at this. So here's the top right here, one of the tops for the containers you put in for storage. Here is one of the crisper plates. I believe this is ceramic coating. This is for the small one. And more crisper plates. On the top. Instruction manual to look at right here. Quick start guide right here for crisping things. Side right here. This is the actual adapter top. This is say? Attaching the power pod to the adapter. Flat surface, insert the power pod and adapter until the front and back click into place. Then place assembled power pod and adapter on large container. So this is the adapter right here. Save this. Go ahead and take this off. Somehow, someplace, somewhere. Open this up. And pull this out. Go ahead and open this up right here. And then the top right here, this is the actual, this is another container right here, and it shows you inside what it looks like. This is the crisper, and you put that right there. Let's bring over the other ones. All right, here is another dish, Tupperware glassware right here. And then here is the larger one, Ninja Crispi. Serve it, store it. And here is the mechanism that plate goes on top of it, of the crisper. Right here, so you can actually see things being cooked. It goes on top. And I'm going to put this all together so we can get to using it. So there's a lot of parts in here. They're all useful, but there's a lot of parts to have. A little bit different from the basket setting, the basket style, but this is very functional and you'll be able to see the stuff while it's cooking. Let me look at it a little bit. All right, so here it is. There are parts for storage. I'll show it and go through it, all of it with you. So here is the container right here, or not the container, but the part that heats up the air. It circulates it right here. There's a fan inside. It says always use mitts when unit is hot. So it says you should use mittens when using this. Now I'm going to go ahead and place, here is the crisper tray that they were talking about. So you put the crisper tray inside, and the food sits on top of this right here while it cooks. And I'll go ahead and put this adapter. So this is an adapter that fits onto the top right here. But I'm going to go ahead and place this on and show you what it looks like. Just place it down on top just like that. And you turn it on and it cooks the food right here. So this is without the adapter. It goes onto the small one perfectly. And then if you want to use the two larger trays, you can do so. Just go ahead and attach the adapter. So the adapter's snapped on here. Basically, now I have the adapter on here. I can place this on top of the other containers right here and get to cooking. Now, some people say, or I've seen videos where they take the adapter off in order to put it on the small one. And I've also seen videos saying you don't need to take the adapter off at all. You just keep it on. I think it's purely for aesthetic purposes. You can just place this on top. I believe, let's see. Or maybe, I don't see how they do that. So I'm just going to take the adapter off. If I can figure out how to take it off. Just pull it off like that. In order to use the smaller one right here. It fits on perfectly with the smaller one. Let's go ahead and put the tray inside the smaller one. So this is for small amounts of food. You can just place it in here. Bada boom. But if I want to use larger ones, I can snap that on. I'm able to cook inside a larger container. And when the food is done, I can just go ahead and place appropriate top on top and store it. See that? It's a tray in there, pretty easy to use, fairly simple. I'm going to plug it in and see how it works right here. So I'm going to plug this in. So with it plugged in, I'm going to go ahead and put it on top, and we'll get some basic looks of how this functions really quickly. in here a little closer. So you see on top,